Bro, they have caught that evil ritual native doctor, but people are scared of his eyes. Look at him in handcuffs, trying to escape Nigeria. The border security agencies caught him. But the topic of the day is his eyes. Why are his eyes so evil? Let me show you something. This is a full video of him. Everything looks normal, right? What you notice is, look at his eyes. The eyes are dead. They call it dead eyes. Now, let me try and make it. I can't do that because I've never taken a life, right? Only people who have taken the life of another human being have these dead eyes. The eyes is deeply set and zero emotions. Let me show you more examples. This is his video. What do you notice? The eyes are dead. It doesn't matter what angle you want to take a picture of him, the eyes are dead. This is a serial unaliver. Some soldiers have these eyes too. Once they go to war and they have taken the life of fellow humans, the eyes die. Look at this. 1941, 3 years later, or 4 years later in 1945. Look at his eyes. Here, before he went to war, here is when he came back from the war. Here you can look at his eyes and you can tell his emotion. If I cover the down part of his face and the up part, you can still tell his emotion. You can tell that on that day he was enthusiastic, he was happy with his new suit and everything. You can tell the emotion by the eyes. Look at me as I'm talking, look at my eyes. You can tell my emotions. But look at this one, you can't tell nothing. The eyes is dead. The rest of the face looks like a mask. The man is gone. His soul. This is what people look like when their soul is gone. Once you take a human life, dead. Here, people with normal face, or normal eyes, they can't stare at anything for more than 3 seconds without the eye shaking somehow, their body shaking, or them losing concentration. Think about it, right? Try and look at something for more than 3 seconds. Something will move in your body or your eyes or something, right? Trying to refocus or something. But people with dead eyes, they can stare at you for 17 to 20 seconds without blinking, without shaking. The face will just be like this. Also, people that want to take a life, they are staring at you and they want to take your life. Their eyes. If you see it in anybody, they run no dead eyes. Let me show you more. Before the war, you can tell the emotion is feeling that they may be probably feeling tired or something. Look at after the war. The eyes are now deeply set and dead. Stern look. Before the war, after the war. Can you see a big difference? The same person, big difference. See, this is now deeply set. See? I can pull up hundreds of pictures and you can see exactly the same thing. Once people have taken lives of other humans, their eyes die. This guy allegedly took so many lives. Everything I'm saying here is alleged. Took so many lives. His eyes are dead. If you watch some of his videos, video after video after video, completely dead eyes, emotionless. Bro, I'm telling you the truth. So when you hear dead eyes, that's what they mean. Listen, dead eyes is a descriptive term used to suggest a lack of emotion or a vacant stare in someone's eyes. Vacant. It can imply a person is emotionless, cold-hearted, or has undergone a trauma that has left him numb. Child. The guy is numb, no emotion. If you see it in somebody's eyes any day, run. I'm telling you. If you are dealing with somebody, even if it's another business deal entirely, and you see that dead eyes in somebody, bro, trust your instincts. The term isn't limited just to the eyes themselves. The overall facial expression, including eyebrows and mouth, contributes to the overall impression. I've told you that it's like the person's face is now a mask. No emotion. See, as I'm talking and my cheeks are moving up and you see different here. You see all these wrinkles are communicating what I'm saying. They don't talk like this. It's just like, only the mouth is moving. Okay, my friend. Yeah. Okay. And the eyes are deeply set. You can read more about it. Just Google dead eyes and read more. If you have not watched the video where they caught him and everything, go to my Telegram. So open your Telegram account. Inside there, you search Dave Partner Media. You will see this account, follow it, and then watch the videos. If you can't find this account on your Telegram, go to your browser and type t.me/Dave Partner Media. Visit the page. It will bring you here. Okay? You will see, watch the videos. As you can see, I uploaded many of the videos.